ni mbulu na katale anu itang ni mbulu na kachuni kwa au lako tikungo me lako I Isle of Skye yo dona viso totolo ni plan na ada mai muria o via le tambe tondo no libuno na mbogini kwa na kabini kwa au kele mekia dona kana woda au sama ni viso takana no plan debina kata ke vio kipaka musa ta betu ulu ni buno migito menauda it doesn't really matter at that point but ni usage kele cuma tangana kapak sa dorong betu menauda there is no way there's no way I'm going up that mountain o sa baro takos na wabu kona wabu me takos na Isle of Skye au nriba ta kitunga men ko nriba wabu kitunga Isle of Skye o pasta kama na kele di firngori na sen ko semper bantu ni laku ke gomo baro takos tan dona yan lele o pas on nriba kitunga mo uri na sen o cha udur sartu mela mo may pauli ko na karabuli to na sen bodo wa google ta sartu na kambala tan yan lele ko okay, you don't need to book any ticket in advance. The island I'm going to is called the Isle of Rasay. I think that's how you say it. That's how you pronounce it. I'll put the spelling up just in case I'm pronouncing it wrong. Yeah, so pas nga mauri nga na sa no konserto mo sampai may kiutungo sa watungo na lori. Mempa di baro wonto talent in nandua na firngo mo takos man daw na nili tsuga. I've never been to this island before. Well, part of the fun of exploring Scotland for me, so I'll go and explore the Isle of Rasay. Dorata na kali mo. Dorata mata bro engwele na bikin bakal presa. Satu salak. Atu ko mengo ni dorata mata engwele na bital tubang ni kaya na kelkeliwak. Lo dia go first minsta je dia bagang ko sangule na bitu nunggu ada uri lestra kana wang melipik te ko mentul melipik te ko tal mai semada lo de. Au sangere de bantu ya. Tau. Semada mentang kontak lagi kami tadi pada benda uri takasarang nawang ko kami tadi melestar lipik te ko jangka usang gere ta bagat do. Sabar rutale ko na sirutalitai santol chungor na ramp. Kerubitan lo chungor tendo na turanga tunoka ni ani anungko na bibi tarambang bibi 35 menit coba 10 menit nan ribet again tuangan na ngonisala it ran across the spine along the spine of this island, so it's quite a beautiful island. I was thinking of just going over there, exploring the island and then coming back across, but I think I'm gonna spend the night there tonight. Go rita natang kasi ulu daw lako chumeng ko nang kasi ko wabu na nakena tawuriles talen na tamko nawanga. Welcome to Rasay Island. It's pronounced Rasay Island, by the way, not Rasay. It's Rasay. There we go. Off we go. Thank you very much. Welcome to Rasay Island. That was about what, 10 minutes on the boat. Dona ruin dona castle. Tunggu. Harus laksaman dan liri teman. Boy. Dona balik tira. Kuntu tala balik. Dona balik tu ya. Tumbaro na gas. Nambara bianco. Oh, I can go up there. Oh, no one salut yari. Rin la kuya daki. Right. Let's see what's up here. Let's see if we can get all the way up here and fly the drone all the way up. go na teki puni ngoni sala na adana na politungo rata ngoni sala Columns Road na ngoni sala go patke na kenambara ronda bitungor tukuni na kene tala no ni donu yana tsinkadiwa wona sanga burkava keretsu kona tamatongo na tano Callum MacLeod Puki keretsu ko na council me tarra na da me da kana ngoni sala ya to ngeke ke ka uri nga to sanga bali liungo retena ya le ni vuno ya to kin ngoni sala retena vuno ro kita osikina retena ntu indi ngoni sala okay gona vuno tiki bukina na Callums Road so keretsu ko na council me fanta kana kena tarra ngoni sala ngo Tungi turun mon bala na bakler to chu gerto sanga chu ni me takap baleta na buna buki kira chikin no ya ngoni sala sumbuko ira chu kin na korna ta no anis se chu na korongo na to na ngoni sala sa sarkin o chu na reba sumbukin na bala buni ngoni sala lele ko via bola ka tuni ron mail ke na bala kira chu ko me da kan ngoni sala sa nir to takap Kasang kita kabang kasang ko, mga kasang ko sa baby ang pakilimos nga bulu karon pa silimos nga bulu ka ba. Sangkay noni sibi ron non para. Sangkay takawang ako ba kayo ko nangoni salong ko beta pandua anis. Berarti cukup miraya na leon non koro ko kayo anis. Ni Na Munro rantu beta nga kina ngon bulu mikina mainland rapunto kalis minawaga ko atako sa mikina. May Tato ko sa chunga kirang gindo tumbale chuko bibia bita tuna bolak ni rona maili tuna tumbale mirado na kor lesumai same thing again and again. Ginto na kanor sawo de chuna buki tumbale chuko sangay rabina kata chimeta kan tuna rangon sala. Sangay tuna kasam ko sangay taka don do ko bakay ko rangon sala ko sangay taran don do ko bakay ko rangon sala ko. Taka babakan tuna rangon sala ko beta bini uch bibia chini tuna ampa kina nona taka do ko rangon sala ko. Ko don do sar tunga. Por la kete na patu bitan kena bakan de na ya buning salira sa gitara na kena ngun sala me ata pasarangan ni takabu cini tu nambak cin kadi won sa bulka ba me ta cin kadi wa duit sa bulka ba nam takabu tu ngun sala ko nang kasum takabu seranga sa tu kena talan lo ni ko ya sa ginto na do tu na lenro ba nam pala bingo na me ta na mati kina nang kasum ko nam rewa bu kicu kina na lenro ba Rewa bu kicu ko ngoni salong ko bat kana lenro nam pala bingo na singa bantu tu na non license singa man kan di pasta kana na driving test Rewa bu kicu ko ngoni salong atau serang na monela kikin yan na ngoni sala ko tu kun na famous road that's in this island okay na Callums Road Entuang ngoni sala na ano lilengo ngoni sala murid ko entuang ngoni sala di pasarangan na lomon tu ngoni sala ni ano lilengo atau bentuk ilu Betul, nanti tahu orang gini semua kalau mau bangkaran terus mau mikir kena pungi ko balta sa o China wang kara lista list ko pinlen I Highland sky so sana mo din na nileng ko pungi ko Ano talano ang balita na ngoni sala ko Callums Road sa tunggu rin na sign ni bonwa may ati kena ngoni sala ko anis end of public road Tapos sarang ikan na ngoni salay anis I razi. Okay, sa pulang na chini, I'm gonna go back and find a place to stop tonight and then get some sleep. Bata pa na view ko for tonight. I'll be sleeping here. Look at that view, man. Yan rin nakatali. Sa may kala tali tungko, may warak itong nawang kamu sa alis tali. Sama tala rito nawang kasi siya. Rito nawang ka, rabito kong maya. O may kala sa rito nga iluto ndo. Rito nga. Maro rabi nawang ka. Sa tando na sumutungko rin na matu-matu ni mbay ke Cherko. Off we go. May saliva out sa talian na road trip. May nakatuwa ko na no. tokontona unongo tombala takchunga mulirita mandondo nangasi juga tadi nanti bari tek bae nangasi ola ko merita ngorin turtu tek ngor adi da kyan kili bari tek nakamai nangasi ngor the old man of store. Ya osana sirosumputalitian biara ramai boleh nama tani singa musali toso boleh kan bina buno muli dambi kini matak toso bini manro bina kata cuma mau dambi tini matak unang kaya parta kan matak kasi bida kita ni kan relief kita puno ko sampai kita kilan shield buat sini boleh bumbang bertumur matak setelah ko buri apa dengan salang ko liu sarang kali tampil supaya dambi main manro juga kita lagi ko di anda kete sa tegabong ko na tumbal motka sa KiltedFijian kundo to bal nan rakin ko kaloko sa 0630 sartungan ko so up we get na via tolu tumbaka se mana kilomita nangumura sartungan na ngon sala ni Land Rover truck ko apa sartungan ko na rere ngon sala me ato ni gelite ko na family usar time 7:30 right 1 hour update. I've now covered just less than about almost 4k I've covered. Also I'm not even at the foot of that mountain, so that is the ridgeline that I'm going to go up on. Go all the way to the end there and then follow the ridgeline across. Also, that is the first Munro, that one there. Abia utia indona ya uwa rusna bulle miniti na tombal sangi baromi tegibu ngona tegibu idambi abrumbina lang salen rungo rosambe takike mure dak na suini ulu bunongo ade dak up we get. I will see you at the top. Let's go. 2 hours in time, 8:30. Distance covered 8.3k. Here's the view. The ambassador to Munro not too warm. Almost at the top. Here we are. Goroka. Tunggu. So that one, that Munro there, that makes that number 35. So number 35, first one of the day. I think in Gaelic it's called cake avaim. Say na the rock of a large round hill. That one is 947 meters high. This is the give you a quick 360 from the top, and then I'm gonna be moving straight on. A few more Munros over there that side. That's the job for another time. So the second one is that one there. So that's the first one of the day. 6 more to go. Let's go to the next one. Don't renga na matay ni dambi mai. So baby at chinito na kilomita nungu sanga YouTube madaramedak sa daramedak ya. This next bit here is not bad. So the whole walk today is so I've just broken it down in 3 parts. The first bit is done, which is the initial climb, and then the second bit is what I'm doing now, which is just gonna be a ridge walk across the top of these ridge lines, and then the last part, which is almost the same distance as what I've just covered there, but however, that one, yeah, that one is an interesting one because I need to walk back to the car when I get off this ridge on the other side. So not too bad for the next part of the journey for today, along the ridge line to the next one. Cool, time 3 hours. So I've been walking now for 3 hours. Saya admi ya anak kena karua sini kuah kuah lek serang like I said. Don't rendrengan mate menidampi. I was just following the ridgeline across to this one here. That one is called the Ridge of the Fox. It's 987 meters high. So that one, this one, now makes that number 36. Second one for the day, 5 more to go. Look over there, that one there is number 3. So, give you a quick 360 from this one. Off to the next one. Again, like I said, it's just an easy ridge walk from this one to that one. I think this next one is the highest one of the 7 that I'm doing today. I'm feeling a bit hungry, but I'll wait until I'm down there somewhere. Then I'll probably sit down and have a snack and then move on to the next one. Let's go. Malumbalik na tang sentan be manta pelilai dom na kena snack lele ke tostel. Fakka di rolla manjina na vermin dalam satu. That way and up the spine. Totakan jina. Going up to the third one right now. Look at that for a view, man. Have a look at that. Basic it's malo na matan singa. Tunggu siguna andan raki. Ini betin karena kolok. Sana rere iro me gini tunggu matan singa go from behind this cloud. So sabi tango. Sa utsuna tini. I'm almost at the top of my third one. älä on mennä sinne. Osta tuttu mennä kinni juot. But it'd be good to. I mean, I'm taking my time, walking really slowly, but sometimes I think I'm going slow, but I'm not. Kailan tuo papuli tu weekend Erno oli nongo. The papuli tu weekend tu. No matter how big you think you are, at times in life, man, there's always something or someone always bigger than you. So I think I'm blessed that min tulla ottumi vango na vi tumbujakin vi uli vuonna tungo kena vere kena kalalai. You know, it teaches us an important lesson to always stay grounded. Kila, no matter how far you think you've come in life, always stay grounded, man. Always. Kermani them. Last climb. Let's go. To the top, baby. Good. Yeah. Top is just here. Ooh. Number 3 for the day. I've been walking for 3 hours, 48 minutes, covered over 13 kilometers. Oh, the building gonna come. Right, that one there makes that number 37. So that's 5, that's 6, that's 7. That's number 37, and the third one for the day. Unach Ikhrith is what it's called, the Tumbling Ridge Hill. That one is about 1,020 meters high. A quick 360 for you. Enjoy the view from sharing the view with you, so you're not feeling left out. Yeah, so I'm going to that one next. I came from that one to this one. That one next. Okay, I'm not gonna waste time up here. I've done that one. So, third of the day and 4 more. Almost at the halfway point. Almost. There we go. Look at that. Look at that for a view, man. Up along there, down, over that one, up to the top of that. Goodness me, look at this. That is amazing. Look how far down that is. Look over there. Wow. That is gorgeous, man. I don't know if you can see the road along just in front of that wood block there. Remember that road, I'll tell you about that road later on. But for now, let's get the fourth one. Let's get over the halfway mark and then slow down a bit, because I've only been walking for like almost 4 hours now. I'm covering some serious distance here, 13k in. Wow! Right, I need a picture. I'm going to take a picture of this. Exposar nga nasa sa ndongo. Sa ndo terang ko lutu makan dira. Lutu makan dira sa ndongo. On this side, sebenarnya nredera sa ndona tentam tam lilit kira. Tuo kämpä juga. Oi. Tuonne lohliusan pääsin mä mitä lohtaa. Anyway. Aku boleh tali cuma bitam kan, tu tali luti kira tengah. Moni salongo. Sa teka pusra ni batu mai. So down along that way. There. Up all the way up there. Right. I'll see you when I'm almost at the top of that one. Boy. Kermani them. Nakapattu minä ollaan liikkeet. Tunggu rokka. Kiinni kava. That makes that number 38. Ooh, 38. Munro number 38. Quick 360 for you. Oh, actually, that one is called this Mulhindareg, which is bold redhead. That one is 981 meters high. Don't mind my Gaelic pronunciation of these Munros, because all these Munros are got Gaelic names, but I'm trying. But anyway, 360 for you from Munro number 38. Cool, there you go. I think it was my first ever vlog. Don't only know when I'm a video what it was this same person, the same kind of stone. It says Dr. Susie Balderston, 1970 to 2023. I love you always and forever, Doug. This was on top of one of the same stone was on top of one of the Munros that I did. I think the first ever vlog that I did. I will put the video up. Man, that's sweet. So I've been walking now for like 60 kilometers over 4 hours 40 minutes. That is the 4th Munro. I'll pause this and then I'll resume the tracking when I get going again. I'll sit here for a bit, eat some food, chill out, rest the legs, and then we'll attack the last one. Look at this view for a lunch break, man. Look at that. You can see for a mile. I think I'm gonna get going. Boom, up there. This is the perfect condition for hiking. It's not too hot, not too cold, you know, and you're just bimbling along. It's dry, it's not raining. Boom. Tottakan din. Turrivna kana puno ni yalla kambu me clear na view. Dama de kan ittan pana punongo. Oh. Too good. Okaruruan na tama terwucuk me take are ndala ni sunu seranga. I think it looks like there's 2 people up there. Yeah, 2 people. Let's go. Boy, that was steep. Boy. So me I can go. All I gotta do, follow that ridge line across to that one. Goodness me. I just came over, just crashed that little hill there, and look at this. Just opens up to this. Wow. That is something else, man. Number 5 of today. That's number 5 of today. 2 more to go. That one and the one behind it. Boy, so I've done almost 5.5 hours of walking, 18 kilometers. I'm not even going to try and pronounce the name of this Munro here, but it's the peak of the breathtaking. That's about 1010 meters. This one, Munro number 5 of today. Bye. It's been some going. I'm with me retutungan about to Susie. But the punta kisugarayam. Siguro kun ba to? Nabato ni naday Susie. Sa may musiti Susie na no na may yali. Anyway, Susie, I got 2 more Munros to do. That one. Let's go. Ready na kami na puno. Oh, before I go, let me give you a quick 360 from up here. Almost forgot. From the point, 360. There, there's a 360. I'm off to number 6. Let's go. I forgot to say that the Munro, that one is now the kapita. Tulus nga vulkadiwa. Iyo. Tulus nga vulkadiwa ni Munro sa taka. Tulus nga vulkadiwa ka lima ni kwa. Yeah. It's good going so far. Not so bad. Solid on can rack. Off we go. Feeling it, man, feeling it. So we're here. Oh, there she is. There she is. Holy boy, what a climb. That was steep. Time almost 6 hours walking and 20 kilometers covered. That was the 6th Munro of the day. 1 more to go, man, 1 more. Somebody talking go, guess who? Here's Susie. Somebody Susie. The my moshi and no muyali. And moshi came and make it no muyali Susie. So that one is called School Unlocking, or the peak of the little loch. Guess where the loch is? Look down there. It's a little loch down there. So this peak is named after it. That's 1004 meters. That is number 40. Woohoo! I've reached 40, ladies and gentlemen. Number 40 and 6th of the day. 1 more to go. It's good. The feeling it's a great feeling, man. It's a great feeling. Anyway, here's your 360 from the peak of the little loch. Wakai Ja wachunga mena balea na buna kelchumkina motokaya. Sanga ya wachunga moko. It's gonna make this walk a lot more interesting. Right, so the last one is that one there, the big fat one over there in the middle. So up and that one, down, up, and that's it. Right. Let's go. Let's take the last one. Rau, now it's in the last incline, this one, to the top of the last one. Tegebu merah, boleh tegebu krep main apa? Okay, I'm so drained, so tired, my body's fatigued, but it's here, it's here, it's the last one. Ooh. Number 7 for the day, 41 altogether. 23 kilometers, almost 7 hours. That one is called Craig Nadav, the Clag of the Stags. That one was 918 meters high. Right, I'm gonna sit here, chill out for a very long time. I'm gonna take my time and relax, chill out. Dan kan 316 kan awak cuci Munro. Sangkai riri na kapan tuh bunong. Kita na sabay niyo. Kaya sa boleh kan alur ya sa to ni sarang alam mo. Ni siya alur. Don sila puno riri na. Okay. Ngon salah satu ngor. From here to the car is about 9 kilometers. So walking pace, 4k an hour, should be there by 2 hours, in 2 hours. So, it's gonna be some walk this, because this is a main road. So this is the road I said. This is the road I said to remember when I was up there. So now that we're here, I've got 2 hours left on this road. Let's go. I'll see you at the car. As you can tell, I'm back at the car. So I was walking back because I was walking along the road, and there was a guy that did those 7 Munros not long back. So he saw me walking up. And it just happened I was just coming out to a car park. They just stopped and picked me up and drove me all the rest of the way back, which was really kind of him. So I'm back at the car now. I'm gonna change my shoes. Probably gonna go down there to that water there and try and dip my feet for a bit. And then yeah, that's that. 7 Munros done in a day. So the time now is 17:18. So I've just almost been out there for 11 hours, man. Oh my goodness, almost 11 hours. Just short of 11 hours I've been walking. Anyway,
enough waffling. Hope you enjoyed this one. This is the biggest walk I've ever done in my life of back in Munros. I hope you enjoy it. See you in the next one. Adios.